In this video, we built an actual aircraft carrier for RC planes. We did takeoffs, landings, and sailing. We did a lot of insane shit in this video, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So this is the aircraft carrier.
Alright, so before we get on the water, we're just gonna do a quick overview of the boat and how everything works.
So this is the RC plane launch mechanism. It's pretty much a railgun powered by rubber bands that shoots the planes into the sky.
So this is the deck that we're gonna be landing on. So here we have a net just so the planes don't fly over, just like an arresting wire would, except we don't have enough space to put an arresting wire. Then we also have this little wall here, so when the plane lands, it doesn't roll off into the water. So it's easy for us to get it back and not lose it.
So moving on to the boat, it's only made of cardboard, wood, a pond tarp, and tape. So how we built it was that we made framework with the wood, and then we just added cardboard to make the walls of the boat. Then we added the seats. So the person that operates the deck and the launcher sits here, and the guy who sits here will be flying the planes. Then in the back here will be the guy who operates the boat. So he has the paddle here, so whenever we stop, he can put the paddle back here on these hooks here so it can rest. And then this guy will be controlling the boat during the flights.
So these are the planes we're going to be using for the aircraft carrier. We've got the blue P-51 and the new F4U Corsair.
So we loaded the boat onto this pickup, so the deck is separate, and we'll add that after when we get there. So we just strapped it down with the straps here, nice and sturdy, won't be moving. And then in the other car we put the deck, so we go over here. We got a little convoy here. So here's the deck, and we got all the other stuff that we need, so let's get going. So we finally made here, so we got the carrier almost assembled, so all we have to do is connect the deck now. So here we have the water where we're gonna go on, and now all we have to do is prepare the boat, so let's get to it. Okay, so this spot looks perfect for us, so we're gonna put the boat down here where we'll get in. So on that rock, we even got a ladder. Wait.
Bruh.
The ladder's not even close. Okay, forget about that. But the weather's perfect today. A slight wind coming this way, so that'll be good for takeoffs and landings, not too strong. And now all we have to do is connect the deck and we can get going. We have a really complex system to put the deck onto the boat, which is just taped down. Okay, so we got the deck secured, the boat is ready to go on the water, so now all we have to do is get it down and we can get going onto the water. Paddle your...
What did I say? And you're done.
So we kind of forgot about the paddle on the boat, so now we're gonna get it back. Now we're getting to the boat, and now we're gonna see if my calculations were correct, so let's see if it floats. Oh, I'm barely underwater right now. It's a little unstable. Nice and gently, nice and gently. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh shit! Okay, give me your chill. Okay, oh my god. While we are struggling to stay afloat, get yourself some merch! If you want to have aviation drip and support the channel, check out our amazing selection of hats and shirts. We also sell RC plane joysticks to make your flying experience so much better. Now let's get back to the video.
Yeah, guys, we're on the water.
But it is fucking insane. Like, it's actually working right now.
Okay, wait, no, just stay there. Stay there.
Yeah.
It's good. Isn't it? Just tilt us this way for like the first launch.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
It is. So here, now you keep you stay stable.
All right, we're loading up our first launch.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm loading it up. So you just pull it back with a string. Then you pull down the trigger. Uh oh.
Shit, we're tilting, we're turning. I think paddle while
paddle.
fucking filming.
Oh, we got it. Okay, the trigger mechanism is good. Okay, so you pull it down.
Oh, we don't have the GoPro set up for shit.
Put it in. And now it's locked in place, you know? So then we add the plane. Okay, ready?
Shit.
Now we're doing our first flight off the carrier. In 3, 2, wait. Gotta make sure the wire's loose. Oh, that would've been bad.
Yeah.
Okay, that was just.
Close
Okay, ready? Flight in 3, 2. I'm shitting myself. 1.
We're off!
Holy shit! Holy shit! I thought I didn't make it.
This is so fucking crazy.
Coming in.
David, you have to control the boat.
Yeah, I know. I can't record while controlling.
We couldn't record during this landing because Hugo had to keep the boat against the wind, so I'm going to commentate this landing attempt. So I'm coming in a little bit high for my approach and absolutely missed. Then I used a hook that I prepared for an instance like this to pull my plane out of the water. While thinking, how did I miss that bad?
Yeah.
Okay, Adam, can you like dock us? Okay, so we came back to the the dock, I guess.
Yeah.
So we had a problem that it was a little like more unstable than we thought, so it was hard to stay in one place for the flights and stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna need to get an anchor for this. So we're gonna need some sort of rock and we're just gonna tie it up.
Yeah, so we got this rope and we're gonna make an anchor so we can stay there and then we could comfortably like do like plug in planes and stuff without like having to paddle every 5 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so I manufactured this anchor that will add to the boat. So now we're gonna connect it to one of the wooden beams in the back and then we can stay in one spot and finally do some flights. So let's get to it. So my calculations are actually surprisingly correct. The boat went a lot less than half the boat. It only went up to here. So that's a really good success for me, I guess. But I actually want to go more into it because like right now we're so unstable because we're not in the water. So right now we're actually gonna put a giant rock in the front because we're too far back because of the deck. So you gotta weigh the boat out better. So we got that giant rock here and we got an anchor now. So we're gonna do all that and then we can go for another flight. Okay, so now we're paddling back to the spot of the anchor.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Got the anchor right there. We're gonna get a second flight in.
Yeah. I mean more than one. So
Yeah.
now we're planning to stay here a little longer. So the only reason we came back was for the anchor. So now you're chill. And we put a giant rock in the front. You can show it.
Yeah, it's like in there.
It'll secure us a lot better.
Yeah, there's a rock in there.
It'll weigh us out better, I mean.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright guys, go check out planx.com for some merch so that we could do more things like this. Because this is absolutely insane.
Shut the fuck up! What? We're doing a merch. We're doing. Okay. So now Hugo's gonna be doing his flight. So we gotta load it up. Here, hold up. Oh, Hugo, can you lift up the cardboard for me?
Yeah.
I'll do that. Okay.
Alright guys, we are having trigger problems. So David's gonna have to let go of it for me, which actually makes it easier because then I can have my hand on the throttle and
Yeah, so I'm
elevons
just
at
gonna,
the same
pull it
time.
back here and let go. Okay, I have the wire loose. So ready?
Alright, so should be good.
Okay, so now Hugo's doing his first flight.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. And we're in the air. Fucking perfect. Okay, Hugo, how is it?
I have like a massive blind spot behind me.
Oh yeah. So you have to come in on an angle on the deck if you want. So the launch went really well. I guess manually is how we're gonna do it. Well, the trigger, the deck is starting to bend and bend the more we're using the boat, so it's starting to like make the trigger mechanism worse. Okay, so now Hugo's coming in. Okay, so Hugo's coming in for his first landing.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
Yeah, you'll have to come in a lot lower. No, you should come lower and then like go up into the net.
Yeah.
Is now coming in for a landing. Oh no!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay,
Okay, get the hook, get the hook.
where's the hook?
Oh shit. I got it.
Okay, mine's fine.
Okay, shit. Oh fuck. Oh, it got my toe. Here. Oh, here. Oh shit. Okay, so okay, we got the hook.
Okay, ready to get the plane?
Oh yeah, we got the plane, but it's fine. They're foam, so they flow and electronics. Okay, unplug it as soon as you can. Let's get that. Okay, so now I'm probably gonna do one more flight, and then we'll probably call it a day before our planes fucking break. Right? 3. Wait, what am I still looking at? Oh, or is that just the boat?
That's the boat.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Okay.
Nice. We got a successful launch.
Oh, it's so.
Let's not get landing. Oh, can you steer the boat?
We're coming from that side.
So thank you guys for 1,000 subs. Also thank you TrainsX for the drone shots. It made this video so much better. And also check out planex.com.co for our insane merch. And we got the RC plane joysticks that you can check out too. We have some videos on that.
Alright guys, so this boat was an absolute success. It was really fun for us. We got some takeoffs, we got some nice flights, but we didn't get a landing. Just kind of sad, but it's really hard to do. One day we'll do it. One day. Okay. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys all for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hugo, wanna go sailing?
Oh shit. Oh my god.
The waves are actually kind of crazy here.
Dude. I don't know if you can even see how bad these waves are, but we are like on our side right now. Dude.
Okay, so now we're sailing. I mean, I can do that in the back. Wait, what? Now we just have to wait for a big gust of wind. There actually isn't as much wind as I thought there was.
It's just the wind.
But it's still moving us, but slowly. Hey, it'll be good, more enjoyable. Okay, so this used to be the boat. So yeah, we're gonna bring this sack of garbage to the nearest garbage can.
Heavy as hell.
Yeah. So we did not. Okay, we sunk it on purpose because like we just drilled some holes. It was actually really fun. A good way to honor this boat.